A 3-bedroom house in the Tropics. Nice hardwood floor throughout. Updated. Split ACs in all the rooms. Blinds on all the windows. Your little dining room patio area here. Here's your kitchen. Nice countertops, nice new cabinets. Stove, microwave, refrigerator. It does not have a dishwasher. Overhead lights. Lights under the cabinets, garbage disposal, refrigerator. It's a little storage room off the garage. You got storage behind the door, and then you got storage behind these accordion doors here on both sides. And then your water box is there to where you turn off your valves and stuff. This is your master bedroom. Ceiling fan, split AC, blinds on the windows, screen secure, mirrored doors here, closets. This is your bathroom, shower, nice tile, toilet, plenty of room, sink, cabinet, indented cabinetry. Lights overhead, recessed. And then as you go out, you have your half bath down the stairs. Matching cabinets and countertops, lighting, mirror, medicine cabinet. Window for exhaust. Go up your stairs. The top right of the stairs was a 3rd bedroom. It was turned into an office. What we did was took the doors out of the closet and put a desk area there. Recessed lighting, and opened the wall up here. TV does stay. If you want the 2 recliners and the end table, that can stay as well. This is the bedroom upstairs. TV mount, ceiling fan, split AC, large closet, blinds on all the windows. Then across the hall from this is the 2nd full bathroom. Again, countertops match, cabinets match, stand-up shower. There is no tub in the house, it's all stand-up showers. Window, and then you have some storage behind the closet here. And as you walk downstairs, this house has artificial turf in the front and back. So all the tenants are required to do is spray the grass probably twice a month with weed killer and pick the weeds out of there. And same thing with the rock area, keep that cleaned up. So you have a large rock area. Turf goes all the way around. Working on the roof behind me at another house. Then you have green, blue, and gray bins for your recyclable, green waste, and regular trash, and a gate right here. That's it. We'll go look at the garage and the front of the house. Okay, here's the garage. Full-size washer and dryer, newer hot water heater, standard 2-car parking. You do have guest parking here and 2 guest parking there. Other than that is street parking, and you can't stay overnight in your parking stall, if guest stalls anyway. Grass, artificial turf here, and artificial turf on the front of the house. And that's your front door.